Strange way to respond, but okay. Darn, if I had my laptop, I would definitely be buying Bip something really good. Aw, nice. Thanks, man. I've been looking for... Bip, this is not my laptop. Where did you get this? What? Bip, where did you get all these laptops from? Oh no, man, this is really bad. Hey guys, guess who just came back from the computer store with... What? You guys found all my laptops. Thank you so much. What? Bip, are you stealing all of Jack's laptops? Okay, stop.
Bip, what are you doing? What is that? Stop!